Hi all, welcome back to Great Online Training. In today's class, we are going to discuss about the base SAS certification question number 55. So if you are new to this channel, subscribe to the Great Online Training channel for more videos and also for the more SAS certification questions. And without any delay, let's enter into question number 55. So the question is, you want to merge two data set sales underscore 2022 and sales underscore 2023 by the variable month, but you only want to keep observation that exists in both data set. So what the question explains is, so we have two data sets, that is sales underscore 2022 and sales underscore 2023. We have to merge these two data sets based on the variable month, and also we only want to keep observation that exists in both data set, that is the observations should be present in the sales underscore 2022 and also in the sales underscore 2023 data set, and those observations also should be based on the variable month. And what type of join would you perform to merge these two data sets based on the variable month? And the options given are inner join, outer join, left join and right join. To answer to this particular question, we want to know what does each join mean. And one more thing is, this inner join, outer join and the left join and right join will be used in the proc SQL procedure. When we are using the proc SQL and also to merge the two data set, we will use the inner join, left join and right join. So what does it mean actually? First of all, we will see. So here, if you see here, I have taken two data sets. So one is sales underscore 2022 and the other is sales underscore 2023. In the sales underscore 2022, I have the variables month and sales underscore 2022. And in the 2023 data set, I have month and sales underscore 2023. So what actually the question is, we have to merge these two data sets based on the variable month. And then by performing any of these four joins, we have to merge these two data sets based on the variable month. So first of all, what is inner join? Inner join returns only the records that have matching values in both data sets. That is, like in these two data sets, what are the common observation based on the month variable? Those variables will only get taken by the inner join method. So if you see here, Jan, Feb and March is present in the 2022, and in the 2023 data set we have Feb, March and April. So what are the common observation based on the month variable? Here is Feb and Feb is present, and March and March are present in the both data set. So when we are performing the inner join, we will only keep the variables which have the matching values in both data set. So Feb and March are the common observation present on both data set. So if you see here inner join, so after performing inner join on month, you would get the result as month, Feb and March and sales underscore 2022 and sales underscore 2023. So in the sales underscore 2022, what are the variables we are having the matching observations are the February and the March. So the Feb and March are printed in this output. If you see, Feb and March are printed in the inner join method. And the next one is outer join. Outer join is full outer join, returns all records when there is a match in either data set, including non-matching rows from both data set. That is, when we are performing the outer join, it will give all the records, either it matches or it is non-matching rows. It will give the records, like it will give the observation which are present in both the data set. For example, it is the result of the outer join. If you see here, we have the observations like Jan, Feb, March and April. These four only we have the observations. For example, Feb and March are repeated. So we have only four observations like the common. These four observations only we have. Feb and March are repeated, right? So that I am just saying January, Feb and March and April. So when we are performing the outer join, if you see Jan, Feb, March and April, the four variables are printed here, January, February and March. So January is not present in the 2023 data set and April is not present in the 2022 data set. So what will happen when we join these two data sets based on the variable month by using the outer join means? So when there is no January in the 2023 data set, it will give it as blank, and when there is no April in the 2022 data set, it will give as the blank. So if you see here, January, which is present in 2022 but absent in the 2023, so it was given as, that is it is a numeric, right? So it is given as full stop. And the next one is Feb is present in both 2022 and also from the 2023. So it is given 200 from the 2022 and 150 from the 2023 data set. And March is also same. And in the April, when coming to the April is present in 2023 as 350. So it was given as 2023, and it is absent in 2022. So it was given as the full stop. So that is, here all months from both data sets are included even if they don't exist in the other data set, and it indicates with missing values, fill it as full stop. And the next one is left join. Left join is returns all record from the left data set and matching records from the right data set. Non-matching rows from the right data set will have missing values. So first of all, what left join will actually do is, first of all, it sees the matching records. So here I have kept L and R. If you see here, L and R. So L is nothing but the left and R is nothing but the right. So in the left join, we have to take the matching rows from the data set. That is, what are the matching rows? Feb and March. So instead of the Feb and March, we also will have the January. January will also get printed, but in the January it will give us the full stop. If you see here, see January, Feb and March, which are the variables present in these two data set. In the left data set, that is 2022 data set. In the 2022 data set, Feb and March, like when compared to both these two data sets, we have the common variables February and March. So what the left join will do is, it will only join all the records from the left record, that is left data set, and when there is no record for the left data set, it will give it as a blank. If you see here, January is not present in the 2023, so that it is giving as blank. So the left join means it will only take the observations from the left, and it is same for the right join, it will take the observations from the right side. And the next one is right join, returns all the records from the right data set and the matching records from the left data set. Non-matching rows from the left data set will have missing values. So what right join actually defines is, this is same as the left join. In the left join, as we have taken Jan, Feb and March, right? So here January, February and March. And when coming to the right data set, we will take Feb, March and April. Feb, March or 2 are present in the both data set. April is not present, right? So instead April in the 2023 data set, it will give us the missing. So there is something wrong here. I have to change. So sorry for this. In April 2022 is missing and 2023 is present. So that's the difference between these four joins: inner join, outer join and left join and right join. So now you got some clarity on these four join. That is, once again I will repeat. An inner join, which only matches the record which are present in both data set. Outer join, which matches all the records, but if the record is missing, it will give us the missing. And the next one is left join, it will matches all the records from the left side and also matching records from the right side. If there is no matching, then it will indicate as missing. So the same is for the right side. So the right side, when there is not matching record, then it will give us the missing. And that's it. So based on these four joins, let's answer this question now. So by the variable month, but you only want to keep observation that exist in both data set. So inner join which exists in both data set, outer join as we know, left join is for left records, right join is for right records, outer join is for total records. So which matches, so we want to keep only the observation that exists in both data set is the inner join. So if you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. Subscribe to the Great Online Training channel for more videos. Like the video and also share the video to your friends and also to your colleagues who need these certification questions. And thank you guys. Thank you for watching.